Think pickup trucks are just about brute force? Think again. These 12 inventions flip the script with jaw-dropping utility and futuristic flair, turning steel into strategy.
So relax, discover, because you'll be amazed.
When your truck bed feels like a chaotic junk drawer, this system turns it into a fortress of order. Engineered with high-impact polymer resin, co-molded to a steel subframe, it supports up to 2,000 pounds on top, while hiding full-length drawers beneath. Weatherproof and dust-resistant, it locks tight with optional keyed sets and seals out the elements with precision-fit panels. Made in the USA, it's built for the kind of work that doesn't flinch at mud, rain, or time. The price of this rugged transformation is $1,599. Parenting doesn't pause for awkward angles. This seat rotates a full circle, so you never wrestle with buckles again. Designed for children from 4 to 120 pounds, it transitions seamlessly from rear-facing to booster mode with a single installation. The Sure 360 safety system locks it down with tether anchors and a bead-level indicator for perfect alignment across vehicle types. Recline on the go without reinstalling, and keep the seat fresh with its removable quick clean cover. All this rotational clarity comes at $339. It opens like a bird taking flight. Dual gull-wing doors lifted by gas struts, revealing a low-profile steel vault that doesn't block your rear view. Crafted from 1.5mm steel and sealed with rubber gaskets, it keeps dust and water out while offering unobstructed access from both sides. Stainless steel T-handles lock it down, and its piano hinge runs the full length for smooth, secure operation. Measuring 1,700 millimeters wide and weighing 49 kilograms, it's built for serious utility without compromise. This steel wing Sentinel stands firm at $800. It's not a tent, it's a declaration that setup time should never steal adventure time. At just 6 inches thick when closed, this rooftop wedge tent doubles as a gear rack and deploys in seconds, thanks to its race car grade aluminum and composite build. Withstanding fierce winds and hauling up to 75 pounds on top while pitched, it's engineered for climbers, bikers, and backcountry purists who refuse to compromise. Sleeping dimensions span 50 by 90 inches, and the whole unit weighs only 135 pounds. This minimalist mission capsule is yours for $3,250. Press a button and your truck bed transforms. No straps, no springs, just smooth electric retraction on sealed ball-bearing rollers. Built from industrial-strength aluminum slats with a matte black finish, it locks in any position and supports up to 500 pounds when parked. The integrated Trax rail system accepts most T-slot accessories, turning your bed into a modular cargo platform for racks, mounts, and carriers. A remote-activated LED cargo light adds visibility, while the low-profile design keeps everything sleek and sealed. This powered precision comes in at $2,949. When your RV's underbelly feels like a black hole for gear, this tray pulls order from the void with a single glide. Built with ball-bearing slides and an 800-pound weight capacity, it extends 60% outward for easy access, even in deep compartments. Carpeted flooring keeps cargo from shifting, and the two-way travel system on 90-inch models lets you reach gear from either side. It arrives fully assembled and installs in minutes with no measuring or cutting required. This smooth access solution rolls out for $831. It's the secret drawer your truck never told you about, sliding out from both sides of the Rivian R1T's gear tunnel like a hidden stage. Designed to maximize utility in a narrow space, the shuttle weighs just 35 pounds and installs or removes in under 5 minutes by one person. The modular platform leaves room underneath for smaller items and may include future plug-in options, depending on the final design. Rivian paused production for a redesign, aiming to unlock even more adventure-ready functionality. The original concept was priced near $1,000, though updated pricing remains to be announced. This isn't just a light bar, It's a modular constellation, engineered to cut through darkness with surgical precision. Powered by KC's gravity reflective diode technology, each LED is positioned inside its reflector for maximum beam control and clarity, reaching up to 1,056 meters. The patented Infinity Ring system lets you link, curve, and customize the setup to match your rig's roofline or bumper, with IP68 rated durability for dust, water, and impact resistance. Available in multiple sizes and beam patterns, it's trail-tested and race-borne. The 8-light curved system commands a price of $2,044. When the trail disappears and the terrain starts talking back, the Leitner ACS forged rack system answers with silence and strength. Forged from aluminum alloy and anchored by grade 10.9 black Zinni-coated fasteners, it carries up to 1,400 pounds when parked, without flinching. Its quad-rail load beam and sliding load bar lets you mount gear pods, bikes, or rooftop tents with precision and ease. Designed, tested, and built in California, this rack system is the result of 5 years and hundreds of thousands of off-road miles. The price of that kind of certainty is $1,995. You don't feel the weight until your suspension does. And that's where Timbren SES steps in with patented Aeon rubber springs that don't ask for airlines, maintenance, or mercy. Whether towing 8,000 pounds or hauling uneven loads, it absorbs road shock and eliminates sag with a progressive spring rate that adapts in real time. Installation takes under 30 minutes, no drilling required, and the ride stays smooth whether loaded or not. Built for zero failure, and backed by a lifetime warranty, it's the quiet guardian of every heavy-duty haul. All that peace of mind rolls in at $262. When the call comes at midnight and the target's boxed in tight, Lil Herc 2.0 doesn't hesitate. It deploys with the kind of brute finesse that turns chaos into choreography. Built by Detroit Wrecker, it lifts 5,000 pounds and tows 10, powered by the largest hydraulic cylinder ever fitted to a light-duty wheel lift. Twin electric motors drive its pump twice as fast as standard units, while the twin hex pin system locks in zero slop, zero failure, and zero excuses. Every weld, hose, and bracket is American-made, flame-resistant, and field-tested by operators who don't have time for second chances. This kind of overbuilt certainty costs $25,000, and it earns every cent the hard way.